up, guys, and welcome back to another challenge on
Cooking to the Max
with me, Max.
And Dad on the assist.
Today we are going to be making hamburgers.
Oh yeah.
These are our ingredients: ground beef, 1 egg, garlic powder, ground black pepper, sea salt, liquid smoke, Worcester sauce, minced garlic, half an onion, and ground CUMIN.
Nice, he remembered. Very good. Alright, so today we are making a special dinner. We're all gonna eat hamburgers. So we're not focusing on just one thing. Me and Max are gonna have to team up and make tonight's dinner. So since we already covered papas last time, I'm gonna take care of cutting those papas and getting them ready for French fries, while Max focuses on seasoning the beef and getting the patties ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
We are going to open the ground beef. As you can see, there's a metal piece, so I cannot undo it with my hands. This is not. Maybe the other side?
Looks like someone's having trouble over there.
I did it!
Alright.
You know what? This is hard. I'm just gonna cut the whole thing open.
Very nice.
Pop quiz for you guys. What is the egg for? Comment down below.
How much of that liquid smoke are you gonna put in?
Like 2 drops. Anything like this, anything smoky is super strong.
Well, actually, this liquid smoke itself is just super strong. This is gonna give it that nice smoky flavor.
About that much is how you're gonna do it.
Alright, show it from top. There you go. Just very, very little. Alright, how much of that Worcester sauce are you gonna put? Show me.
Oh,
Just like that.
I did not know that how much was gonna come out.
Now you know.
Took me by surprise. Take 2 teaspoons.
Come on, show me their muscles. I thought you have muscles.
I did. It was just a little spoon.
How much are you gonna put on there?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Teaspoon.
2 tablespoons.
No.
Fill them up. Fill it up.
A tablespoon has a B.
Right, so you're gonna put 2 of those.
It's a T.
Oh, teaspoon. Yes, teaspoon. That's what I meant. Teaspoon.
That's about.
Throw it in there.
I am plugging my nose as I'm doing this. It is very strong smell. And it splashed me on the face.
Hey, but that's the yummy part, yo. That's the one that gives it the yummy part, along with this half chopped onion. It's really finely chopped, so we're just gonna throw it in there, and it's gonna make that hamburger patty really like.
This is another pre-measured thing. So, whatever you want to call it. But it's
Ground coming, dude. Ground coming.
Yeah.
Learn it.
Yeah. Now we do the fun part. We mix it in. Ugh, it's so gooey. You gotta make sure all of that onion gets inside and it's not falling apart. Mix it about 2 minutes by hand. And if you do not like getting your hands messy, you could always use a whisk or not much of a whisk.
No, because then you don't get like the nail dirt in there and like all the stuff, like
Ew!
bacteria and,
Ew!
and all the stuff. All of that makes it taste delicious.
No! Ew! I washed my hands before this, so none of that's actually happening. All this gooiness! And we're gonna check if it is almost done mixing. The way you know it is you make a ball and you put it there to hang, see if anything just goes and drops. Yes, it will fall in a little bit, but this means it is ready.
Get a piece out of that and start making a patty, and you can move on to the grill that's ready. Move on to these spotlights to fry.
So you are gonna mush it to kind of make it a patty as round as you can. You want a round patty for your...
That is way too much meat. You're gonna need to take a nice little piece off of that and then make that into a patty. Huh? Now you want to make it as flat as you can, not high like that, because it's gonna rise anyway. With the heat, the patty's gonna start filling up. Yeah.
And you always want the middle to be the flattest of the rest of the patty, because it's the one that rises most. So that. And put it on.
Cool. Nice. And the next one. Yeah, it's a little ball. Now from here, you can start patting it down. I think this is why it's called a patty. Because you pat it down. Maybe, maybe not. Coming up, you don't let it Is that ready? Back for me. Good, let it down. We're gonna put it there.
No, you can hang. It'll be flat. Make sure it doesn't stick. No, you can make sure it doesn't stick. That's a good patty. Like that. Gotta mold it into a ball, like I said. Slap it a few times. Flat as you can. Make it as round as you can. Make the inside flatter. Let's turn it around before I make it flatter. Make sure it doesn't stick.
It's a little bit larger than the other, but we'll work with that. Mold it. Close it eventually. We're just gonna close this and let it keep going.
Whoa.
Meanwhile, we have to start preparing the vegetables.
Nothing is good without vegetables. Put spinach for hamburgers, or the hamburgers that we could put inside for the side. I'm just saying all the same things, but in different ways.
Onions, tomatoes, and we replaced the lettuce for some spinach. There's always a lot more iron content.
So I'm gonna check on my patties over here. We have some good color here, and we're gonna check the bottom. That is good color. This one has good color too. It is very good color, and I think we should start putting them on the plate. And now we are going to put our hamburger buns in the toaster. If you need help draining your potatoes and scooping them up, always ask for help. That was tiring. That takes a lot of arm muscles. Look. So now let's check on our buns. They are getting brown. I think the time we put is a good time. Oof, all this smoke. Well, not smoke, but heat.
Max is toasting that bread. We're gonna go ahead and put these condiments out. Ketchup, mayo. We have our vegetables. Plastic for the kiddos. Pink for Lila.
I made it nice and fancy. Put 5 breads around. Put one on top. Right now we are at our dinner table, having our dinner. And before we start digging in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button and hit notifications. And make sure you put them all so you never miss another video.
Who made all this deliciousness, huh? Who are our chefs
Daddy,
today?
that's right. Daddy did it all.
You
Oh,
get all
Max.
the credit.
Who wants a pickle? No pickle?
Come on.
That'll
Oh, me pickle. So everyone's putting their hamburger together. Everybody likes different things. Lila doesn't want a pickle. I love pickles. And I'm assuming Lila doesn't want onions on her. You want onions? You want
No,
onions?
no, 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 no.
Come on, there's some onions.
No!
Just one.
No, no, no.
Just a few,
No,
dude.
I don't like onions.
Come on, dude.
I don't like onions.
Man, they're so good for you. They like make your bread smell good.
Yeah, that's mint.
Yeah?
Fries?
Try it first.
Anybody want fries?
Me.
Fries?
Me.
Fries? Nobody? Want all for me?
No, mint! The fries no life.
Do you want tomato?
There you go.
Do you want some ketchup?
Don't be greedy.
Want some ketchup on top of your
We're just gonna go continuing with dinner here
Yep.
on our special edition of Cooking to the Max.
With him. Max.